Alright guys, this is my gaming PC build for $1,000. I really enjoy this build because it is every bit of price per performance I enjoy, and $1,000 is a great price point to have a gaming PC that performs this well. It's amazing how well it works for the price. Okay, we'll kick it off with an i5 4670 non-K 3.4 gigahertz. I chose this because I don't really want to overclock that much, and it's only $210, so it's like $20 cheaper than the K version. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really well, 20% performance boost from last gen. Okay, here we go. EVGA GTX 760 SuperClocked 1.08 gigahertz. Works really well. It is faster than a 660 Ti, about as fast as 670, and yet it's way cheaper. So it's great overall. Has plenty of video RAM. Great. Okay. Asus ATX motherboard. It is pretty much everything you need. 2-way SLI. I think it has Crossfire. 32 gigs of RAM. It's $112. It's one of the cheaper ones, but it does every bit of thing you need it to do. And here's the RAM it will be holding. Corsair Vengeance 8GB, 1600 megahertz, $65, and it is great for that price. I really like it. I have this RAM in my computer and it just works great, does everything you need it to, it looks fancy, all that stuff, and it is awesome. Okay, Corsair CX600, 600 watt 12 volt. It's it powers pretty much everything you need, even 760s and SLI and i7. So yeah, it does everything. $38, really nice, cheap. Asus DVD CD writer. I have this in my computer along with the other RAM. It's great, only $20, and it works, does whatever you need it to. So yeah, that's it. Next we go Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM, and it is $60. I have heard good reviews from this. It is one of the best out there. Really fast. You don't have to have an SSD with it, and it's still really cheap, so you can get like 2 of those even if you want. And the case is Cooler Master Storm Scout 2, $100, has everything you need, a panel to put an iPhone on or something like that, and red LEDs. You can tuck all the wires in the back and it looks great, has enough room for everything. Okay, Windows 7 Home Premium, that's what I have in my computer. It works great, but this is your choice. You guys can choose Mac OS or Linux. It's whatever you want, and that will be all, guys. That is $1,000 gaming PC build. Hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. See you guys later.